It's been 8 hours since this terrible crash. It happened at the intersection of Van Owen and Balboa, which remains shut down indefinitely. And a young woman is fighting for her life at 5 o'clock. When you see these pictures, it's hard to imagine anyone survived. The mangled Honda, the driver's side smashed in, and just beyond it, what's left of the pickup truck that hit that Honda. Police say the truck was stolen, suspected of being used in area burglaries. When a citizen spotted it, called the LAPD, who tried to pull that truck over. Balboa Boulevard littered with wreckage after the devastating morning collision.
It sounded like thunderclaps, like it was just boom, 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 one after another. So
I saw the impact, I heard the impact, the twisting steel and the breaking glass.
Police say the truck was stolen, suspected of being used in area burglaries. When a citizen spotted it, called the LAPD, who tried to pull that truck over.
There was no pursuit. The officers merely tried to initiate a traffic stop. So they turned their lights on. Approximately 6 to 8 seconds later, the suspects collided with the other vehicle. According to the officers, with my discussion with the officers, they said the suspects accelerated very quickly.
That pickup truck was moving at a tremendous rate of speed.
3 suspects in that truck, 2 ran, 1 was hurt, all under arrest. 1 young woman driving the Honda hospitalized. All day, as investigators worked, people came by, stunned by what they saw.
Unbelievable. I've never seen such destruction before in an auto accident. Crazy.
Schools, big intersection like this. Good thing it didn't happen when it was school time at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning when there's a lot of kids on the streets.
Again, police careful not to label this a pursuit, though they stress their investigations just starting into the incident, which ultimately involves 6 vehicles and 10 people. There's in-car video, body cam video, security camera video. Meantime, witnesses just trying to process the frightening experience.
I felt helpless after the fact. I felt like it's being handled and I wish there was something I could do.
Just incredible to see up close the devastation that the collision caused. One bystander estimated, Alex and Marla, that the truck was perhaps going 80 miles an hour. No word on the condition of this young woman. At one point, police said it was a fatality, but that was updated. They said her heart stopped, but they revived her. And just to make this even more unusual, police say they recovered a gun in that vehicle, in that truck, and they went to take it out. It accidentally went off. So now there's a forced investigation division here as well. No one was hurt by that gunshot. Reporting live in Lake Balboa, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.